On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love sent to me. Welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome to another episode of Vlogmas. Yes, it's Vlogmas. And what is Vlogmas without our wish list, right? Can't have Vlogmas without a wish list. So today we'll be going through my Christmas wish list, from the realistic to the not so realistic to the hopefully realistic. I'll be giving you my top 10 things on my Christmas wish list, right? So, you know, Christmas time, the old tradition, the old fat man, the big belly, going around and going through people's chimneys and dropping you a gift. But I don't have well, I live in Jamaica and we don't have chimneys and we don't have any snow for Santa to come by, but we can still have a wish list, right? So guys, I'm doing a list of 10 items, and you know, as a YouTuber, this item at number 1 for me, and this is the only thing that is actually at the right number. Everything else I'm just going to randomly throw them, because you know, I'm not really ranking either. You know, as I said, there's realistic, non-realistic, and possibly realistic items. I don't even want to say non-realistic, but realistic, kind of realistic, and maybe realistic items for the Christmas list, you know. So the number 1 item is a must-have for a YouTuber at any point in time. Not necessarily this brand, but you know, similar. And the number 1 item is a GoPro camera. Yeah, I know there has been one that came out lately, but it doesn't even really matter to me if I'm getting a GoPro for my Christmas. It doesn't even matter which version it is. See me, I played my ear. It doesn't even matter which version it is. I would just, you know, love to get a GoPro for my Christmas, right? So GoPro is number 1 on my list. So another item on my wish list this Christmas is a ASOS sneakers. Like, guys, on this fitness journey, you know, I've been doing all these hills. So guys, you know, on this fitness journey, I've been doing a lot of hiking. I don't know, it's like I became a member of a fitness club that I did not sign up for. So I've been doing a lot of hiking and working out on that hill as well. I'm a turned mountain climber. I want to get a new sneakers, yeah. And on my doing my research, ASOS seems to be, guys, ASOS seems to be one of the better brands in terms of fitness sneakers. So I have one in my cart right now. So it's on my Christmas wish list. Yeah. Nothing too simple, nothing too, yeah, you know. Next on the list, of course, is an Amazon gift card. Like, who wouldn't accept an Amazon gift card, right? For sure. Why? Half of the things on my wish list are in my Amazon cart. So, you know, easy thing to just check them out. So, and I think, you know, in this age and time, instead of buying something for someone that they don't want, it's better you just give them a gift card and let them buy what they want. So Amazon gift card is a good gift item, and also something on my Christmas wish list. Yeah. Another thing on this YouTube journey that I realized that you need, and it's on my wish list, is an external storage drive. Like, the other day, guys, like the other day, my iPhone was just acting up and I didn't know what was happening. Like, it was saying the memory was full and I didn't see where the memory was. Like, it's in something called other storage, and I was there deleting my videos because I thought deleting the videos were going to help me, and they weren't backing up to the iCloud and they weren't backing up to Google Photos. So I had to delete my videos, like, you know, those little footage you like to go back to sometime to just a little reflection, they're all gone. So I want an external storage, external storage drive, yeah, to definitely help me on this journey, so I don't have to delete my videos anymore. And yes, my phone has enough memory, so but guess what happened? An update came in on the phone and I did not do the update, right? Like, I'm always using my phone and update didn't do, and like every evening I guess the phone downloads another update until there's a bag of updates on my phone stored in other storage, and I just could not find them. You know, like with an Android phone where you just know that you can clear the cache or whatever and the phone free, there's nowhere to go on an iPhone to clear it. So I didn't know how to clear it, so I deleted my videos and my clips, and I think that's why I need an external storage drive. Yeah. So of course, since we're on the topic of an iPhone, why not upgrade? So next on my wish list would be an iPhone 10 or 11. Like, I'm not even pushing it to a 12, I will just take a 10 or 11. But if Santa wanted to bring me a 12, I would take it as well. But a 10 or 11 sounds good. An upgrade. It's the most wonderful time of the year. They always teach you now that you should put things out in the atmosphere. So it's Vlogmas, so why not Wishmas? We're wishing away, right? No, guys, I don't want y'all to think I'm all materialistic and everything, although this is still a material item. But next on my wish list are books. Now I know I have a little collection going behind me, and if y'all watched one of my last live streams, you know that I'm kind of a little bit behind with some of those books. But there are still 3 books that I want and intend on reading in 2021. So they are The Compound Effects by Darren Hardy, 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. I don't remember who wrote that one, but you know, I'm gonna just put the image. And the third one would be On F Yourself, Get Out of Your Head and Into Your Life. So those are the 3 books I really want to read in 2021. I actually listened to the audiobook for The Compound Effect already, so I am sure I'm going to read that one, because some little key gems in there I want to go in and highlight and always have them to remind myself about my intentions and my practices. So, and they're good reads, guys. So you know, if you have a family member or a friend who loves to read, you can check if they have ever read The Compound Effect and you can buy them. Like, we need to get into that culture of, you know, not just buying tablets and laptops and phones of people, but buying books. Or if you want to buy a phone or a tablet and you get them some audio versions or some what we call them, ebooks, or some ebooks that they can read if they're readers, or if they're not big on reading, you can get them the audiobooks on those tablets and phones as well. Get into the culture of bringing back those educational things into gifts as well, right? Right. So, you know, sometimes you want to exercise and it's raining outside and you're inside and you just get lazy and so. Another item on my Christmas wish list would be a cardio climber. Now, I don't even want the electronic one that have to plug in and those things. You know, a little one that resembles a bicycle and all I have to do is sit down and pedal or stand up and pedal. And get that cardio exercise in, because, you know, if I don't leave the house to go and exercise, I hardly get cardio done. Like, I start skipping 2 times, I'ma stop. God bless the exercise I do at home if I don't go on the road to exercise. Should I be telling you guys this? But of course, guys, I am still at I'm actually below the weight that I did in my last fitness video. So it's not like I'm not exercising and I am over here getting fat again. I am not, but still. I would love a cardio climber. I just set that up on my veranda or in my living room or in my room if I can figure out where to put it. And then that would definitely help me with keeping this fitness thing going, and possibly, I know, I just put on some music on my TV and yeah, so yeah, a cardio climber is on my wish list. So there are 3 more things on my wish list. 1 not so extreme and 2 extreme, but you know, I did say they were at different extremes. So starting with the lower one, I always wanted, and I'm hoping to get soon, so it's on my wish list, a Tuft chocolate brown bedded. Yeah, you know, a nice little Tuft one with some gold or brown buttons in there. You don't even have to too shapy and whatever, just a nice brown, chocolate brown one to put up against my bed, and so to match the brown happening in my room. It look nice, don't it? Yeah. I know in all honesty though, I would really love a blue one, like a royal blue one, but then it's going to just throw off my room, like, and then curtains are going to become weird and sheets are going to become weird. If I am to go blue, then I have to go all out blue. And girl, don't reach that stage of life yet, so I can't go all out blue, so chocolate brown it is, right? Yeah. Yeah. So now to the 2 big extremes on my Christmas wish list. And I'm gonna put one here and the other one here. They always say you must aim high, right? Yes. So, a new house, a new car. Well, technically this isn't a car, but it's somewhere between a van and a car. And that's why I like it. And this can come in mustard or aqua blue. Yeah, those are really the colors I've seen in it that I absolutely love. Yes, so that's the end of my wish list, my 10 items on my Christmas wish list. My chest high. Comment below if you think my chest is high. Comment below what you think about my wish list. If there's anything on my wish list that is also on your wish list, you can comment that down below. And guys, remember I asked you to comment 2 things that are on your Christmas wish list. You know, Secret Santa might see it and buy you. Who knows? So share what's on your wish list down below. Maybe something I could have on my wish list that I didn't think about, or somebody else can have it on their wish list that they didn't think about, right? So that's the end of this video for today's episode of Vlogmas. Yeah, you're not gonna hear me like that all 25 days of December as we celebrate Vlogmas. So yes guys, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up guys. Of course, looking out for your comments. If you're here at the end of the video and you have not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I want to see you all 25 days of Christmas. So hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that the next time I post, you'll be notified and you can come on over and come and share with me in Vlogmas. Alright, mega stop. So guys, until next time, continue to be your most authentic self. And of course guys, continue to stay naturally.